Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson, and Laura Fenton Kovanda has been helping us to get prepared for Nationals. Now if you missed the previous videos, make sure you stick around to the end for a link. But now we are down to game day, and this is the first of two videos dealing specifically with what we should do to play better when we're there. Take it away.
You know, CJ, one of the toughest things playing pickleball tournaments is when you go to the courts, you don't have access to a treadmill, a bike, maybe you have a jump rope, but I can't emphasize enough, the warm-up prior to playing that first match is absolutely critical. Your body takes literally 12 to 15 minutes for motor memory to kick in and for your body to loosen up. For me ready to stretch it, I have to break a sweat. So if we get up in the mornings when really our bodies aren't turned on and we eat something, we go straight to the courts. And a lot of us do this even in open rec play. But on tournament day, everything in your body is connected. Every muscle, every tendon, every ligament, every cell, sensory neurons, motor neurons, everything's connected. So if we can get everything turned on before we even walk on that court is really critical, okay? So the other things I want you to think about, because of the format of tournaments where you'll play a match and you sit for quite a while, and we don't know, we don't know how long it's going to be before we play again. So how can we best play a tournament in those conditions? Number one, you need to continue to stretch continuously throughout the day, even if it's for a 5-second hold with your quads, or maybe, you know, over your head with stretching our triceps and our shoulders. Okay, number one, we need to stretch. Number two, we need to be hydrating continuously as well. Whether you are thirsty or not, water is great, but it's not enough. Water, we need electrolytes. Pedialyte is a great thing. Advocare, there's a number of companies that make some of the little powder things you can put in your water. And also keeping our blood sugar up. So even though Powerade and Gatorade are high in sugar and they're trace electrolytes, they're still good for those who need to keep their blood sugar up. Many times you're caught in a match and all of a sudden your blood sugar just drops and you're just kind of lethargic and you start making mistakes. So even eating just a little bit all throughout the day, whether it's fruit, which is very good. Fruit is like turns our engine on. Fruit, granola bars, dry oatmeal, bananas, oranges, strawberries, those type of things, just keeping something in your stomach all the time. My last tip, which might surprise a lot of people, it's very, very difficult because I'm a very social person too. It is very difficult not to want to socialize and talk with everybody when you're not playing. But conserving every ounce of energy on game day is crucial. You need to save all of that energy. So whether you need to put a headset on or you need to go sit in a bathroom or sit in your chair, anything to cut down on the amount of time that you're moving around and you're talking to other people is going to save that energy for match time.
So if you missed the videos in this series, you can click over there and it'll take you right to them. She does have one more tip because we're just kind of guessing, but it might be just a little warm on game day. And that presents some extra problems. So if you want to see that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and then the notification. That way you'll know when it's posted. Because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.